Hey guys, Pizza here. This is episode 4 on how to make Minecraft plugin. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Java Discord API with a Minecraft plugin. And we'll be doing an example on doing a Minecraft to Discord chat plugin. And so let's get right into this. So first off, let's just close off what I was working on before for the JDA tutorials, and we're going to go on to File, New, Module. We're then going to select Minecraft. Make sure to select the right one that you want to do. I'll just be doing 18. Then we're going to select Spigot plugin. I'll just fill both those in with ones for now. And then Minecraft to Discord plugin. And now the main class would be me.PizzaLover.mc to dc dot main. And let's just do 1.12.2 for this. Module name mc to dc. Now that'll go and create everything. There we go. Well, it's just resolving some dependencies. And okay. So let's get right started in this. So let's just remove those comments. And yeah, okay. So first off, let's go and notify the console that our plugin has started. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Okay. So info and see. We'll just do Minecraft to Discord chat plugin has been enabled. And then we can do the same right in here. Disabled. And now, right away, we're just going to create a new file right inside of here. So new Java class, and we're going to name this Discord stuff. Since this is going to handle basically all of our Discord things that we're going to need, we're also going to need to add in the dependencies for it. So for this, I'm just going to copy off of the one that I used right here, which is the newest one. So all you have to do is just do the dependencies, group ID, which would be that, artifact ID would be JDA, and the version would be whatever the latest one is. I'm just doing this one since, yeah, it is the latest one from when this video was made, from what I know. Unless the new one, like, quickly came out, who knows? But, okay. Right inside of here, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna extend listener adapter, and then we're also gonna implement a listener org.bucket.event.listener, since we're gonna be checking for like different sort of events from the plugin in here as well. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do a public static JDA and JDA. We're then also gonna do a public Discord stuff. Then we're gonna do a main. Since we're gonna require them to use this to use the main like file or whatever, something like that. And then what we can do is we can do this dot token is equals to that. I forgot we're gonna actually need to add in the token as well as string. So public string token. Now in this video, I'm gonna just copy the one that we used for the JDA testing, just so then, yeah, it'll save a little bit. We'll make it a little bit easier. If you don't know how to create a bot application, get this token, I recommend watching the very first episode for the JDA tutorials or by watching someone else's video on how to do it, but it's really simple to do. Another thing that I'm going to do is we're going to create another part, so public main, and then we're going to call it plugin. And then we're just going to add in here this dot plugin is equals to main. And now we can also do a plugin dot get server dot get plugin manager dot register events, and then we're going to do this and then plugin. By doing this, it's checking, well, this is going to allow us to run different sort of events on this class right here. And so the main class is going to basically start this, start this file up, fill in the info that's needed, and start the bot up. One thing that I'm going to do as well is JDA.add event listener to this. That's why we added in the extends listener adapter. So then also Discord would be checking if there's any events and work with that. Now we're going to create a new function. We're going to do private void start bot. This is going to just start the bot right when this basically runs right here. And what's going to happen is we're going to do a try and then a catch. The catch is going to be a login exception e and then e dot print stack trace. And now inside this try area, what we're going to do is JDA equals JDA builder dot create defaults. Now we're going to put the token in dot enable intents, and we're now going to do a enum set dot all of. So what it's going to do is it's going to basically make a enum set from what it says. But basically, like, if we did like a public enum test is equals to like hi. Oh no, that does not work. Test hi? Nope. Okay, it would have to be its own separate class. Here, I'll just quickly show you guys if it's, there we go, enum. And so with this one, you could do like test pizza lion best, etc., etc. And so all it's doing is just taking all of that. So if we do like test dot class, it'll just go and work, maybe, unless. Okay, yeah, this wouldn't work since it's not like set with all the actual intents. It's just random things, so yeah. But you don't have to do that. I'm deleting it now just because, yeah. But what we'd actually be putting in here is a gateway intent dot class. Now at the very end, we just need to do dot build. And so now with this, it will basically go and build the bot for us. And we can now use JDA to then do whatever with it. So now let's go on to this main class and let's go on to enable and basically just let's do new Discord stuff and then this. By doing that, it will now go and run the run that this one file with everything inside. And yeah. And so what we can do now is, since we're just detecting chat input, one thing that we can do is if we do add events handler, then public void on player chat, and then async player chat events e. Now that we have that function done, let's also create the Discord version since we're going to have it so if someone on Discord chats, it'll send it to the server and every player can see it and vice versa. And so for this one, we're going to need to do add override, then public void on message received, and then message received event. And then for this one, we'll just do event. And so for this Discord one, it's gonna be a bit more easier, because all we have to do is we'd have to just do like bucket dot broadcast message and then the string. And so let's create the format. So let's just do like a name and then the message. Now we could do like a primary role if we really wanted to. That would take a while though. I haven't done like this in a while, so I don't fully know how to. All you'd have to do is look for like the player role from who sent the message, since you can do event dot get author dot get, and then there's no like roles. Yeah, I just gotta find out how you do it. Well, anyways, not that much of a concern, but all we'd have to do is we could put that there, add events dot get message dot get content raw, and then right here we could do event dot get author dot get name. And so it'll now format it something just like that. Nothing too special, but it does the job for now. Here, no, let's actually do this. Let's create a new package. Utils, and then inside of here, we're gonna create the iconic utils file where we only put one function inside. And so we're just gonna return forgot the string return, and then chat color dot translate alternative color codes with the and symbol, and then text. There we go. Something nice and simple and quick. But that'll just basically translate the color codes to like whenever you put a chat message in. And so one thing that we can do now is do like a utils.colored string, then add that, and then inside of here, what we're going to do is basically just bracket, discord bracket, and 7, and R, and 7, and D. D or B? B for light blue. Let's actually also make it bold. There we go. And so now it'll go and show them that it's a like someone from Discord saying it. And then after on here, we basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a text channel. So text channel dot channel. Sorry, I was just looking back on my notes for this because I sometimes put up a note. Okay, there we go. Okay, so JDA dot get text channel, and then we could do by ID or by name. And let's just do by name. Actually, no, let's do by ID. And so one ID that we could do. And for this, for the sake of this, I'll just do I'll just create a new chat in a Discord server where there's the tutorial bot in. Copy ID. There we go. And now with this, all we have to do is just do like a channel dot send. Let's just do send message. And then, yeah, let's configure this. So e dot get player. Actually, let's do this. There we go. Alt enter to import it. And now we can just do p dot get display name plus and then that, then plus their message. E dot get message. And now actually let's also do one thing real quick. So for this part right here, we'll just do the utils.colored string, and then have that in. Then right while we're doing that, we'll bold it. So now their name is bolded, and then, yeah, we'll then send it. Now, one thing that I will recommend we should do is create a public static void stop bot, and then JDA.shutdown. Reason being is that if you're, whenever you're making a edit to this, if you're just doing slash reload without the stop bot function, it'll just forever go and it'll practically just like try to keep on like logging into it. It doesn't actually like stop the bot, which makes it really annoying, not gonna lie. But yeah, and then we just call it there. So we now have a way to start the bot, stop the bot when the server's disabling, and yeah. You can also go and on disable call some sort of function where it sends like a message telling them like, oh, the server stopped. Same with on enable, telling them that it started. And you can also do this with player login and player logout, which I'll probably do next episode. But yeah, this all you'd have to do now is export this, and yeah, that should be it for this episode. I do hope that you guys have enjoyed. Please hit the subscribe button and like the video to show support. If you want to see anything like in specific, please let me know in the comments. I read them almost like every day, usually like a maximum of like 2 days wait. But yeah, I would appreciate your feedback, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.